Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a spacious home in a great Vancouver neighborhood, close to parks, recreation, shopping, and I-205. It's situated on a large 3/4 acre lot with plenty of room for entertaining. Heading inside this recently remodeled home, discover gorgeous hardwood floors leading to an inviting family room with a gas fireplace. The updated kitchen features an elegant island, stainless appliances, double ovens, a gas range, and a pantry. Just off the entry, you'll find the formal living room and French doors to the dining room. On the upper level, the primary suite offers a private retreat with a spacious bath and its own private terrace with peaceful views and overlooking the expansive backyard. Relax in the jetted tub or tile shower, plus you'll find a large walk-in closet. This home of more than 3,000 square feet has 3 more upstairs bedrooms and 2 more full baths. The covered patio is ideal for year-round entertaining. You also have easy access to the 3-car garage. Plenty of room for your garden. A play structure is included, plus storage sheds, a greenhouse, and a workshop with power. The long driveway has room for your RV, and you'll also love the convenient 8-zone sprinkler system throughout the property. Convenient to an elementary school, a dog park, shopping, and more. A gorgeous, spacious home in a fantastic location. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.